In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gantt colors on ClickUp. First, open ClickUp. Give the app a moment to load your workspace so everything in your project is up to date. You can do this on the web or the desktop app. The steps are the same. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the correct workspace where your projects live. Next, head to the space you want. A space is the top-level area that holds your folders, lists, and tasks. Choose the space that contains the project whose Gantt chart you want to adjust. If your tasks are organized inside a specific folder or list, navigate there now so the Gantt chart reflects exactly the tasks you need. This makes it easier to see meaningful color changes without clutter from unrelated work. Now, open the Gantt view for that area, then look for the Customize control. You'll typically find Customize in the top right corner of the View toolbar. Click it to open the settings for this Gantt. In the panel that appears, go to the Gantt options. This is where you can fine-tune how the timeline looks and behaves, including the color settings for your taskbars. If you don't see the panel right away, make sure you're actually in the Gantt view. The Customize options change depending on the view you're using. Inside Gantt options, find the Color Tasks by menu. This is the key setting that controls how ClickUp assigns colors to each bar on your timeline. You can keep it on default if you like the standard look. If you want the colors to communicate more meaning, switch to an option like Status to Color Tasks by their workflow stage, which is great for quickly spotting what's in progress or blocked. Choose Priority when you need urgency to stand out at a glance. Use List to group visually by where the task lives, helpful for multi-list projects. Assignee is useful when ownership matters and you want to see who's handling what. Tags work well for themes or campaigns if you're consistently tagging tasks. If you rely on a specific custom field to categorize work, pick that field so the Gantt colors match your unique process. As soon as you select an option, the chart updates instantly, so you can assess visibility and switch again if needed. When you're satisfied, leave it on the option that best communicates your project story. Remember, you can come back to Gantt options anytime to refine the colors as your needs change. That's all you need to update Gantt colors in ClickUp quickly and clearly.